Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Bamboo Lab AMS2 Pro disappearing from Bamboo Studio after print reconnect fix. Fix 1. Restart the printer in Bamboo Studio. Close Bamboo Studio completely, then turn off the printer using the power switch. Wait for 30 to 60 seconds, then turn the printer back on. Now reopen Bamboo Studio and check if the AMS2 Pro appears again. Fix 2. Reconnect the AMS communication cable. Power off the printer, then unplug and firmly reconnect the 4-pin and 6-pin AMS cables at both ends. Now check that the connectors are fully seated and the cables are not damaged. Loose connections are one of the most common causes of the AMS disappearing during or after a print. Fix 3. Update or reinstall firmware. Make sure the printer, AMS2 Pro and Bamboo Studio are all running in the latest compatible versions. If the issue started immediately after a firmware update, reinstall the firmware or temporarily roll back to the previous version if available, as some users have reported firmware-related communication problems. Fix 4. Reduce vibration. If the AMS sits on top of the printer, place it on a separate stable surface and test again. Excessive vibration during printing can interrupt the communication connection on some setups. Fix 5. Inspect the AMS hub and buffer. Check the AMS hub or filament buffer for loose connectors or damaged ports. If you have another compatible cable or hub, test with it to rule out a hardware fault. Fix 6. Factory reset the printer. If the problem continues, back up your settings and perform a factory reset. Reconnect the printer to Bamboo Studio and pair the AMS to Pro again. This may temporarily resolve software-related communication issues. Fix 7. Contact Bamboo Lab support. If the AMS still disappears after every print, collect the printer logs and contact Bamboo Lab support. Persistent issues after trying different cables and firmware may indicate a faulty AMS interface board or communication hardware that requires replacement. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.